Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak Smart English. Today, we're going to learn about how to answer questions correctly in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. In English, answering questions correctly is very important to communicate clearly. Today I'll ask you 15 questions. Each question will have 3 choices, but only one is correct. Pay attention, listen carefully, and let's see how many you can get right. I'll explain the answers along the way so you can learn and improve. Let's start with the first question. 1. What is your favorite color? Now here are your choices. A. My favorite color are blue. B. My favorite color is blue. C. My favorite color am blue. Take a moment to think which one is correct. The correct answer is B. My favorite color is blue. We use is because color is singular. Great job if you got it right. 2. Where do you live? Here are the options. A. I lives in New York. B. I live in New York. C. I living in New York. What do you think? The correct answer is B. I live in New York. We say live because it matches the subject I in the present simple tense. 3. How did you go to school yesterday? A. I went to school by bus. B. I go to school by bus. C. I goes to school by bus. Think about it carefully. The correct answer is A. I went to school by bus. We use went because the question asks about something in the past. 4. Who is sitting in the chair? A. Sarah are sitting in the chair. B. Sarah sitting in the chair. C. Sarah is sitting in the chair. What's your answer? It's C. Sarah is sitting in the chair. We use is sitting because Sarah is the subject and the action is happening now. 5. Why are you late? A. Because I missed the bus. B. Because I missed the bus. C. Because I'm missing the bus. The answer is A. Because I missed the bus. Missed is in the past tense because the question asks about something that already happened. 6. When did you arrive home? A. I arrives home at 6 p.m. B. I arrived home at 6 p.m. C. I arrive home at 6 p.m. The correct answer is B. I arrived home at 6 p.m. We use arrived because the question is in the past tense. 7. Whose book is this? A. It is my book. B. It are my book. C. It is me book. The answer is A. It is my book. We use is and my to show possession correctly. 8. Do you like ice cream? A. Yes, I do. Yes, I like. C. Yes, I am. The correct answer is yes, I do. In English, we often use yes, I do to answer questions starting with do you. 9. Is he your brother? A. Yes, he is. B. Yes, he are. C. Yes, he am. The correct answer is A. Yes, he is. We use is because he is singular. 10. What do you eat for lunch? A. I eating a sandwich. B. I eats a sandwich. C. I eat a sandwich. The correct answer is C. I eat a sandwich. We use the base form eat with the subject I. 11. Are they playing football? A. Yes, they are. B. Yes, they is. C. Yes, they am. The answer is A. Yes, they are. We use are because they is plural. 12. How many books do you have? A. I has 5 books. B. I have 5 books. C. I having 5 books. The correct answer is B. I have 5 books. Have matches the subject I. 13. Did you finish your homework? A. Yes, I do. B. Yes, I finished it. C. Yes, I finishing it. The answer is yes, I finished it. We use finished because the question uses did, which refers to the past. 14. Where are you going now? A. I going to the park. B. I am going to the park. C. I go to the park. The correct answer is B. I am going to the park. We use am going because it's happening right now. 15. Who helped you with the project? A. My friend helped me. B. My friend helped me. C. My friend helps me. The answer is A. My friend helped me. Helped is correct because the question is in the past tense. Great job, everyone. How many did you get right? Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep learning, keep practicing, and don't forget to watch my other videos to improve your English. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Speak Smart English. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.